Right now I have Nissan Tiana. It has a problem with check engine on the dashboard. Another thing, it doesn't have parking light on the dashboard. So I'm going to scan so that we identify the main fault code. Here the main fault code is P17F2, which is CVT Judder. According to this fault code, it means that the transmission is worn out, so you need to replace a new transmission. Next step is to click on special function. Under special function, go to backup IP number, that one, then save that IP number. So we are saving that IP number. This is the number that we are saving. Look, this is the IP number that we are saving on the system. After replacing a new transmission, the last step is to rewrite the IP number. So we need to rewrite the IP number. But before you rewrite the IP number, there is something you need to consider. Never perform writing operation when the serial number do not match. That's the reason why I have saved that data before. So you need to make sure the vehicle is stopped, the engine is stopped, the selector lever is on the reverse position, accelerator pedal is depressed. I'm selecting reverse gear, then I have already pressed the accelerator pedal. Then I have to turn off the key switch around 10 seconds like that. Let me wait for 10 seconds. I have to press OK. After that, the engine is off, shift position back to parking, then touch OK. We are done. Let me confirm that code from the system, but you need to do some Juke sensor calibration first. Start, completed. Right now you have done everything, so I have to go back to confirm the fault code on the system. So right now we don't have any fault code on the system. We don't have DTC, even the dashboard. We have parking. Everything's working perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.